Hi, I'm Laura and I've been doing Ipsy bag reviews. This time I got my hands on a full-size product box. So let's go through it. So this is called the Glam Bag Plus and I have never gotten one of these before, so I have no idea what I'm doing when I open the box. Oh, okay, so we've got, this is what it looks like. Wow, okay, so it actually gives you a booklet. It tells you the value of the product that you got, and it gives you some little info about the product. Cool. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is called the Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Quad Palette. The second product that I'm pulling out is a Lancome Paris. I'm just going to call it a pigment because it says it's for eyes, cheeks, and lips. The third product that I'm pulling out is this set of Farah brushes. The fourth product is a 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. And the fifth product is a lipstick by Estee Lauder in the number Envy 261 Never Enough. The last thing that they have in their box, and something that they say that they will send to you quarterly, which is 4 times a year, is this bag. Almost dropped it. It is sequins. It's some of those sequins that you can play with. They go from silver to blue. Just by holding this, I don't really like the quality. There are a lot of seamstress secrets about working with sequins. That's a lot of S's. And I like the fabric that they have on the sides. It's kind of like a faux snakeskin, faux leather. It's really pretty, it feels nice. And, you know, paying $25 for the subscription is basically for the products. The bag is something that they send you out of their own will. So, you know, you shouldn't be expecting a high quality bag, but the bags that they normally give you, are very flat, they're not very three-dimensional. They're basically only supposed to fit the 5 samples that they give you each month. So this one for the December Ipsy bag, I would say has better construction, and you know, you don't really need to mess around with the sequins all that much. Some of these sequins, like you can tell on the other side, some of them are stuck in silver, so that when you're messing with them, you want them to always be able to go back to the blue. But that's just me rambling. So before I put any makeup on, I am going to put on the vitamin C serum. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply some foundation. And let's do some contour. And then I'm going to do concealer. Then I'll do a couple other bits and bobbles. And now that I feel like I look thoroughly ridiculous, please let us use the products and make it cohesive. So in this Smith & Colt palette, I will only be using the glitter gray, light gray, and the white shimmer. So the very first thing I used was this light gray powder. I do have to say it's very powdery, very much a chance of having a lot of fallout. Then I used this on the inner corners, this on the lash line and the under lash line, and I just kind of followed the line of my eyes and let it go, and then I just blended it a little bit at the end. With this Lancome Paris pigment in Haute Couture, I am going to be applying a small, I don't know what you call it, a small dusting on my cheeks. And I don't feel like this looks very good. Oh my gosh. I feel like this color looks like I'm a prostitute coming out of a saloon. That's a very awkward and honest opinion. I don't think this is the right shade for me, but for someone else it might be great. And since it's supposed to be on eyes, cheeks, and lips, maybe I can try the eyes or the lips some other time, but for right now I'm not really digging this. I put on a little bit of mascara, and now for the final touch, the lipstick that they gave me. So I thought it was going to be more of a red color. It is more of a pink-orange color, so let's try it out. Alright, this is the lipstick. Very pretty. Does not match the cheeks, does not match the eyes. So my final thoughts. keep losing it. I gotta put my glasses on. I literally can't see. Wow, that looks... I look like a clown. I look awful. So my husband just said, you know who you remind me of? When Phyllis and Karen went to go get makeovers so that they could go make that big paper sale. Well, I guess I know what my Halloween costume is for next year. Well, I'm gonna go wash all of this makeup off, but before I do that, I'm going to take a picture so it can go down in history. Like this video if you got a laugh out of my makeup, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you next time. I thought I was getting something else. It told me I was getting something else.
But you keep doing it.
Honestly, I feel like I'm a saloon girl. Is that what it looks like? I feel like it's really dark.
For what? What do you think about sulfate?
Oh. Oh, and the top is magnetic. Ah! Okay, I got a little too excited over that.
It is a dark button if you want to see more.